Hey, Odumeje.
You can use your leg as well. Use your leg, use your finger. Anything you want to do.
Hey.
Best of finish. Best of finish. Match your enemies. Match them. Match them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Match your enemies. Match your enemies. Match your enemies. Enemy of progress. Enemy of progress. Enemy of your children. Enemy of your business. Match them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Match them. Press their neck. Press their neck. Pray. Press their neck. Squeeze their neck. Match them. Away. That is enemy for your father's house. Oh yeah, squeeze them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. I will say hip hip hip. Hey. What's all that? Enemies side. Enemies from my mother's side. Hey. I see more enemies. These are enemies from the industry. Hey. Enemies from the industry. Hey. Enemies from the industry. Enemies from the industry. Enemies from the industry. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Enemies are coming. Don't worry. This one is from Hollywood. From Bollywood. Hollywood. From Hollywood. From Bollywood. Asabawood. Hey. Yeah. Hello. 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 Squeeze them. Squeeze them. From director, HOD, content creator. Hey, all of you. We squeeze the content creator. Piracy. Hey, piracy. All the piracy. I'm telling you. Okay. Hey, light has gone on.
It's a beautiful thing. Look at the commune has not me here. Who don't like better thing? Just look around. I entered here. This place used to be an open field, but with the touch of this woman, Magic Finger. In fact, she was supposed to be called Magic Finger. Apogaka Magic. Look at the way she transformed the whole of this place. This is Kaleze Chineke. Sorry. You see, we have just stepped into September, and I pray this month will be our September to remember. This is event season, event period. I don't know what you are celebrating. You know this very woman, you know this our sister. And the reason I love her so much, no, she's very, very hardworking. I remember 2 years ago, my children's birthday, small hall. She came and transformed the hall. The hall, so this is her handwork. And I thank God she just told me. I said, why not you open an office in other places so that people can reach you? She said now they are in Abuja, they are in Lagos, and they are here in Asaba. Even in Imo State. Anywhere, Anambra, just put call. But to design and decorate your event place or visit Konyebata. Yet here, wow. If anybody enter where this woman decorate and that person no shout wow, I'm gonna cry. Please, I want us to, this is her number. This is her number. You can see this number on the screen. Call her for your work. Anywhere at all. Put call. She have hefty boys so to train. Oh. She have hefty boys so, and she's not a beggar. She not a beg anybody. Muna no go tag her. Any other church or people, blah, blah, blah. This is the time for you to use this video now. And then bring job for her. That's what she need now. Big Kono, I am begging you. She have hefty boys. You can see those boys, they need to eat. They need to still keep swaggering, because just look at this place. If you are a star, please call her to make your star to shine. Wow, stardom. You see, we are the last. It's only her that can. What's the business name again? Dope event. Dope Event 007 on Instagram. Dope Event 007 on Instagram. Just go on her page now and check out the beautiful things she has been doing for a very long time. Not be today she started. The reason I love this woman, I got a money before any woman with the hustle with this, you know, now bambo. I they like make friends with those people, and that is the reason I saw this work today. I've been sitting down somewhere. Hey, Elisa on the man. I was telling them that this woman beautified this empty space. So who is there? Dope.
Dope. Finished work under 9 minutes.
I was there when you called.
Yesterday, I just decided they are dope. Wait by night, she has not slept now.
Hey.
Dope, God bless. Only one dope.
Only one dope. Any other dope?
You saw how we thought we were in Cinderella land.
Also Cinderella. No one on lazy Chineke one year. They didn't know that Cinderella. I'm not really in the kingdom of God. This place is. The children have been dancing, they have been having fun. Look at this place is another heaven on earth. Can you don't confuse me now. Palazzo lie. I lied. Two of us are liars. Palazzo lied. I lied. Two of us are liars. Liars are liable to live long.
I'm telling you.
Dope event. God will bless you. You see, you will never know shame. Or see, anybody will want you to become big, that person will die. Let me help you now. As we rise by lifting others.
Exactly.
Are you others or order? Order. So please help our sister.
Yes.
Help our sister. This season, whether your traditional wedding, white wedding, children's birthday party, burial, house opening, my own will be house opening.
Amen.
And another one will be my children's birthday because two of my sons are celebrating this way, another one. And I have a little baby, and I know very soon he will clock 1 year. So my little baby too, his own birthday is coming soon. Dope event will dope-lize us. From dope. You know, what is the doper? From dope, I want a diaper. Sorry for that is look at them, dope people. When you stand with dope people, you talk dopely, your event become dopest. And when dope event touch you, oh my goodness.
You become dope.
Onye ọbụla ihe ọma na-agba afọ agbagbuola gị o ihe dị mma dị mma dope event dị mma composition composition preposition dope event God bless you. God bless you. You never know shame. You never know shame. Those children hang at time. In fact, give me my bag. Tap, I'm fast. I don't want to waste time. You might not give us physical cash, but by the time you give us work, you have joined hand in training our children. So biko Chineke egbulagi. This is one Chineke egbu ga enye na ya onu ga ihu ihe Chineke ga-eme gị. Nwara na agba gị. Take this one. Take this one. The pressure. Yeah, you don't have much, but towards the end of the month. So any other person, you collect your money with your account. God bless you, my sister. God bless you. Please see you. Thanks for banking with us. See your call, see your WhatsApp, see you on Instagram. Please, I want to hear her giving testimonies. I want to hear her giving testimonies that, oh, God has done this. Work here. Just, you know, and if you do that, God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you so much.
God is